All right. What?
Wow.
Well, I love you. I love you. I love you. What are you doing? I'm gonna get you dizzy. Oh, she's fired up. She got herself a bath. 2 is Willow's bath day. This is gonna be fun. She does not like getting wet. All right. Yeah. Come on, big baby. Get on in there. You can get your feet wet, you stinker. Come on. Oh. The water's not even cold. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let's start the shower. All right, come here. That way you get wet faster. Come on, back up. You're okay. It's nice and warm water for you, so you're not going to get cold. Let's let this water run out here a little bit. No shake, no shake. I know. Let's go over here again. Let's do one more quick rinse. Come on, we're going to do another quick rinse. Stop. Do a quick rinse. Wait a minute. Gosh, dang it, hold on. I ain't taken a shake yet. All right, ready to shake. Go ahead, shake. Come on. She's knocked over the bucket. Shake. There you go. There you go. Do you shake again? Come on, shake. 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 Come on. Shake. Good girl. All right. We got more towels. We have to use up all our beach towels for you. Yes, I know. And then we're gonna get... Yes, you is. All right. Yeah, look at the floor. It's drowning. Now, set this up over here. This is where Dad lays down the floor with her and we blow dry her. All right, I thought you wanted to get out. Huh? Come on, let's go. Come on, you know what to do, lay down. Oh, Dad can't kneel, he had bad knees, so we gotta lay down. All right, come here. Come on. Giving you a hair drying time. Babe, she farted twice, she made me go out. Okay. The experience of giving Willow a bath is over. But she does good. She really does. Usually she, well, she did do it. She usually rolls around and, or I tell her to roll around and sit up and whatever. But I think she's camera shy, but we're done. She looks pretty. And now I need to pick up my mess. Ooh. Look at Miss Willow.
Pretty girl.
She's a pretty girl. Look at you. Thank you for being a good girl. She had her, she's like, Mom, help. Dad's embarrassing me. Mommy took her out and she did do her number 2 business. So she got a peanut butter treat. Look at her.
She's scared of you.
I'm gonna get you. Oh. Here, one of that. Ready? Hello? Anybody here?
Who is it?
Willow?
Who is it, Willow?
Who is it?
Who is it?
Willow? Where is she? Where's Willow? Willow? Oh, hello? Where are you, honey? Oh, where are you? Willow? 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 I see my Willow! I see you! Did I embarrass you? Did I embarrass you? Sorry. What?
Wow.
Well, I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh. What are you doing? I'm gonna get you dizzy. Oh. She's fired up. She got herself a bath. Ready? Oh. All right. What? What? We love when she does that front paw thing, like hits the ground 3 times. You're a good girl. All right, you done? You done? You look so pretty. All that white is back. Yes, you are. She is so pretty. Huh? Aren't you? She wants her ice. Yes. Did you get ice? There's no ice for Willow. Oh. She loves her ice. Are you ready for ice, Willow? All right, here we go. Back up. There you go, babe. All right, guys, we're done. A little fun with Willow, giving her a bath. We'll talk to you later. Bye.